hit snooze once or twice. Oops. Then I head to the bathroom to wash my face. Oh, and brushing my teeth. Absolutely essential. No way am I going to school with bad breath. After that, I go to the kitchen for breakfast. Yum! My mom usually makes scrambled eggs and toast, but my favorite days are when we have pancakes. So fluffy and delicious. If I have time, I like to drink a glass of orange juice and just sit for a few minutes. By 7:15 a.m., it's time to get dressed. Here's the part I hate, deciding what to wear. Should I go with jeans or a skirt, a sweater or a t-shirt? It takes forever. But once I'm ready, I grab my backpack, say goodbye to my family, and head to the bus stop. School is okay, I guess. My favorite subject is English. It's so much fun to learn new words and write stories. But math, let's not talk about math. It's just not my thing. During lunch, my friends and I sit together and talk about everything. Our favorite TV shows, funny videos, or what happened in class. After school, I come home at around 3:30 p.m., throw my bag in the corner, and grab a snack. Cookies and milk. Yes, please. Then it's homework time. Boring, but necessary. If I finish early, I get some free time to read a book or watch YouTube videos. My guilty pleasure. At 6 p.m., I usually help my mom in the kitchen. We make dinner together. It's fun and sometimes messy. After dinner, the family sits together and watches TV. Sometimes we play board games. Guess who always wins? Me. By 9 p.m., I'm ready to wind down. I take a shower, put on my cozy pajamas, and read a little before bed. Finally, at 10 p.m., it's lights out. Good night, world. That's my day. What about yours? Isn't it fun to talk about our routines? Life may be simple, but there's always something special in